lang
PNP
makakapit.
to submit.
Sa akin ka na magagalit.
Yung lahat ng inventory natin ng mga sapuan,
dito,
per
okay,
area, kung sino po
at least ito makikita.
may video. And from there, kasi Mr. Chair, doon na natin makikita, sino ba nag-streamline? Manunukin ko na po yun, streaming at nagpapataya na eh. So, kasi ngayon, sa report ng Backward, Mr. Chair, nasa 3,000 plus ang website. But, let's ask me,
Sa gitna, safe ka to.
records of all
Not in our office, sir, but we will coordinate with our Directorate for Operations because they are the ones that we will refer this matter and we will submit.
Because the agency, the proper agency who oversees the operation of factories is the Agency of Amusement Board. Pero ano ma'am, is the representative from the present? Ay, national line.
Gusto mo ba?
Then we'll ask the representative of the DILG.
Actually, Mr. Chair, if I may, kaya po nakausap lang natin po yung PNP because as Congressman Globo said, lahat po yan may COP, Chief of Police, sa bawat munisipyo. So hindi po imposible na makita ng mga police natin kung may camera po doon para ma-sorting lang yung list. It's not that binabawal lang po natin yung camera sa loob. But we want to find out yung sa 3,000 na website na yun, saan po sila mismo nag-ooperate? Kasi kung wala naman po sabong, kaya di wala pong online sabong. So kung malaman lang po natin yun, at mas mapinking point na natin kung saan talaga mismo na nagkakaroon ng video, yung sabong at nagpapataya po sa online, na which is yun po ang pinagbabawal yun ng ating backward. Habang wala pa po tayo nagagawa po batas.
Pardon me for Congressman Cataberia. Hindi ako nagsasabo. Pakikilala mo ba yung sabuhay? Pag-stream nila yun?
Baka po pwedeng hindi, kasi halos pa rin pareho yung itsura. Pero imposibleng hindi mo po natin malaman yung sa pamulasan sa ingay po dyan. Sa sigaw pa lang, at pagdala pa lang naman ng imposible po, hindi natin po malaman kung saan po yun.
So, the general, when can you submit the list being requested by the Honorable Cataberia?
Mr. Chair, since I am at the office in charge of the inventory, I will refer this to the Directorate for Operations and I will ask them, if possible, to submit it to this committee within 1 week time.
Within
1 week time, if you
1
can
week's
wait.
time. So, Comsec, is no. Yeah, we'll get to them, But before we proceed, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of the author of House Bill number 9996. The one who wants to prohibit altogether isabong in the country, the Honorable Rufus Rodriguez of Tabello.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I was late because I had the hearing of the budget of the Department of Foreign Affairs, and I'm now ready to sponsor my bill.
We consider your but of course you can have the floor now because we'd like to hear your
Just a very short manifestation, Mr. Chairman. First of all, everybody agrees that isabong has pernicious ill effects on the Filipino people. That is a truism, and that is why I am impelled to file this bill to protect our people. After all, the government is the parents' patry, especially for those who are poor, especially for young children who may go into isabong. Parents' patry is the principle. Now, the president, our former president, PRRD, has already in a pronouncement ordered the suspension of this isabong because he knows also the effects on our people. This bill will make sure that it will not only be an executive pronouncement, it will be by law, so that our enforcement agencies will have the necessary tools through law to be able to apprehend them and stop isabong. Now, you see, we thank the President Bongbong Marcos, because Pogos, another kind of gambling which is deleterious to our country, the President has already abolished it and declared it illegal and they have to leave. And as we speak now, many are leaving this country who are scrupulous operators of Pogos. Now, after Pogo, Isabong is the thing that we should be able to be together, united for the sake of our people. So, Mr. Chairman, I earnestly request our distinguished colleagues present here to be able to approve this particular bill in relation also to the House resolution filed with the debonair congressman of Ormoc, Richard Gomez, whom I saw dancing with Lucy Torres, the mayor. Please, summer, please. La 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 la. Ang galing eh. Okay, so, thank you, Mr. Chairman, for the diversion. Thank you.
We'll get to that later, Congressman Lupus. So we'd like to hear first from the resource persons.
Yes.
Yes, Congressman Gomez.
Mr. Chair, while I am very much excited about this House bill, Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest that by the time we pass this, I'd like to be co-author of the House bill of the gentleman Rodriguez. Mr. Chair, if you will allow, Mr. Chair, all of us here present in today's hearing, like to be co-authors of a wonderful bill.
Thank you. We are gladly accept all the wish to be co-authors. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so there's a motion to make all the members present in today's meeting. The motion is carried. Counselor, please take note. May we hear from the DILG, Asek Rancho.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. If you will allow me to read our preliminary statement, as our position is also contained in this statement. Mr. Chair, honorable members of the Committee on Games and Amusements, colleagues from different government agencies and guests, the DILG fully supports the subject legislative measure considering the social harm of Isabong, especially to the youth, not only financial aspect but more importantly on their well-being and safety. As to the House Resolution number 1559, we reminded the city and municipal governments to closely coordinate with and provide assistance to the PAGCOR and the PNP relative to the monitoring and reporting of the EO number 9. Provincial governments are also directed to ensure compliance of its component LGUs to the provisions of the executive order. The DILG will work hand in hand with the committee and will closely coordinate with the PNP for vital information that would enable us to ascertain the truth in resolving this matter and make appropriate actions thereafter. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Asek. Now, may we hear from the League of Cities of the Philippines.